CFD Hero Review, Best CFD Trading Bot. CFD Hero, a cloud-based automated CFD trading platform, makes bot deployment simple with no coding and suits both novices and experts. Featuring an intuitive user interface, CFD Hero supports various advanced trading strategies and includes a powerful backtesting engine and paper trading for risk-free practice, and you can get $5 off or a 14-day free trial with the link in the description. Users can either rent pre-configured bots or create custom ones, integrating with TradingView for live trading signals and strategy optimization. CFDHero supports a range of CFD brokers, including City Index and Forex.com, where it can deploy the bot on your live trading account. CFDHero prioritizes security. All communication between CFDHero and your brokerage account is encrypted, and no sensitive data is stored on their servers. The trading process involves choosing and renting bots from the marketplace, or setting up your own bot with customized parameters, and deploying on paper exchange or your live brokerage account. To ensure optimal performance, users should monitor, analyze, and adjust bot settings regularly, utilize CFDHero's analytics, and continuously update trading strategies. Remember to use the link in the description to try for free for 14 days, or to get $5 off the paid plans. Thanks very much for watching my CFD Hero Review, Best CFD Trading Bot. Please like and subscribe for more reviews.